'07 Chevy Aveo. The O is falling off. Take that off. Alright. I got the new one from Amazon. I think it was like $20, $19. Alright, so this car would overheat like after long drives, but at idle it'll cool down, or if I put the heat on it will cool down. So now what I'm seeing rust inside this old thermostat, so I'm guessing it wasn't circulating. And when I pulled this off, it was no coolant, so I'm not sure about why that is, because I did put coolant into that reservoir. But that's the only issue I've been having with this car, and it does have a transmission leak over here. This need to be resealed. I think it's on top, but that'll be some next video. So what you would need to remove that part off, flathead, so you can take this off, unless yours is different. 12mm. I use a long. This 2 bolts breaks off easy. Then you have a hose on the side, but you need to take the thermostat off to get to that clamp. Guess they like push together. Thermostat sits between this, like 2 gaskets, and they push together. Really already loose. Work it out by hand. Really can't see the other one. Yeah, thermostat was completely bad. Alright, so that one's kind of like stuck on there. Grab a flathead. Pry at it. Burnt onto there. That coolant. Alright. Pliers like this. Probably rest it up on here. I kind of like moved this over because I was doing the timing sensor, and I never put it back in place. that. Give it a little twist. Put it down below. Twisted the hose completely off and it came off. I might change this hose later on, but looks like it will hold up. There's no leaks from it. Kind of clean up that area. The old gasket is sitting on. Filthy. Grab a rag. Just want to push that back on. You can start with the top bolt, or you can start with the bottom bolt. Start with the top one. It can kind of work itself in place. heard that crack or pop sound, that's the fitting of the top part of the thermostat laying on top of that second layer. Right. Now that it's all installed, it looks like now that it's installed, now that it's installed in, grab your coolant hose and reinstall it. Just like so. Twist it on there. That's that. Replacing a thermostat on this type of vehicle, it's that easy.